We are less than a week away from Halloween, and if you're looking for ideas for your child's classroom celebration, we got you covered. DIY expert Vida Urbonas has some great ideas.
Yes. Hi, everybody. Getting excited.
My gosh. Talk about what you've made, Vida.
Okay, so I want to make it easy for you at home, so I scour everywhere and I find the recipes and then I kind of modify them. And this is what I call my skeleton party platter candy buffet.
Whoa!
That you can eat the guts.
That is
so
too
I know
cool.
the intestines and the guts out of it, and you can even add more to it. But it's all edible. Like over here, Denise was over here early.
I was eating
Oreos and.
Oh, let's start over here with the cookies, the spider cookies. Tell me how you make the spider cookies.
Okay, so 2 spider cookies. Again, trying to make it really super simple for you. I have some video I want to show you. On these right here, these are just your Oreo spider cookies. You take your pretzels, kind of snap them off, stick them in there, and then you can use just some kind of frosting to put those eyeballs, those pre-made eyeballs on. And the kids, I mean, this is easy for the kids to make
and fun.
too. And fun, and everybody just loves it. If you want to add some teeth, you cut up some little mini marshmallows, add them with a little frosting as well. So there you got little things as well. So it's kind of really how much time you want to put in these.
Oh my gosh.
You can get peanut butter pre-made dough. You can get, this is just your basic sugar cookie. Put it in the oven. As soon as it comes out, you push down that little Reese's peanut butter cup. A lot of times it melts. If it doesn't, just take that frosting again, add your eyeballs and the same frosting. It's all pre-made. So that's the beauty about it. You just, again, make those spider legs.
Super easy.
All the way across the top. So you can add any cookies you want to that as well. You can get super, peanut butter. You can do chocolate chips. So
plus, the kids are going to go crazy for it.
They go crazy for it.
All right, let's move over to the skeleton platter. I am obsessed with this because you could eat the guts.
Do you want to start eating? It's Rice Krispie treats.
No, I'll take
yeah.
one.
So it's kind of.
Sorry, friend.
Yes, and there's Tootsie Rolls for the guts, and little gummy worms and other things like that.
I like how you dyed the Rice Krispie treats to make it look
and then you can even add a little more dye, so it looks a little more bloody. So it does look really disgusting, but everybody absolutely loves it. So
let's look at the video.
Yeah, we have some video we can show you on how to make this from the beginning. So this is the final product. Starting out, showing you, I just took this skeleton that I got at the party store, laid it out in this platter. There's your Oreos. You take a spoon and a big gallon Ziploc baggie, and there you go. That becomes your dirt. You can add other things to it. That's what's beautiful about it. Added some chocolate chips. So now you've got extra sugar. For the Rice Krispies, 3 tablespoons butter. You add a packet of those mini marshmallows. You really let it melt slowly on low, and then you add your red dye. You can go crazy with it. If you want to go really red, 6 cups of Rice Krispies, the little Rice Krispies in there. You mix it up. There you go. It's that easy. Then you start putting it in there. I always pre-washed everything. So just so you know, I pre-washed the skeleton, pre-washed the platter. I like to keep things clean.
Of course.
Then you start adding your gummy worms in the mouth. You add your Tootsie Rolls for intestines. You start adding your little sour gummies also for more intestines.
Brilliant.
And then you can even add cookies in the platter too. So this can be a whole party platter, and it does not take long at all. Literally maybe 15 minutes to put the whole thing together.
You have to be the coolest mom on the block.
It's so cool. And the thing about this guy too is when you're done with it, you can put the skeleton outside. So you can recycle that. And if you want to get these to put behind to kind of set it up for that fun party theme, I mean,
I would put the whole platter outside too with some candy. The kids would freak.
Yeah, they would freak if they came up.
And had to get their own candy out of it. That's a good, I know. I'm a thinker. She's a creator. All right, these are the delicious and fun ideas that you can find more Halloween party ideas on YouTube. Subscribe to Vida's channel. Just search The Parenting Channel. All one word, The Parenting Channel. And you can also visit her website, which is cookcraftkids.com.